YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to remove and install a door panel on a Nissan Note car. Pull and remove the speaker cover. Remove the plug. Unscrew the screw in the holder hole with a Phillips screwdriver. Pull the door panel. Release the buckle with a screwdriver and remove the hook cover. Carefully lift the door panel and pull it out of the groove. Press the switch panel button from the bottom side. Remove the two connectors. Remove the switchboard. Remove the door panel. Installation. Insert the door panel into the upper groove. Pull the cables behind the panel. Assemble the door panel with light blows with the palm of your hand. Insert the door handle into the hole and screw it. Install the plug with pressure. By pressing, mount the connector. Insert switchboard. Press to insert the hook cover. Connect the connector to the speaker. Press fit the cover. That's it, for this money. Thanks for watching and welcome.